If you use that type of the flashlights, you know, you can use this on your camera or set up on your tripod and using with different modifier to lights and photography everywhere, outside, inside, and that's it. That is easy with flashlights. But one thing what you need to use that lights on your tripod to use, you need that special flash mountain who keep this lamp, something like that. And today we will be talk about these 3 mount what keep your flashlights on the stand, how you can use, what is the different, each is different, and how you can use this in your photography with different modifier the light. Like you know from my video, I don't use too much flashlights. This is first time the flashlights what I use. I have these flashlights from company Godox, sent me the new model is Godox V100, and believe me, I have this flash Sigma some lights, but I never use this. I bought and I never use. I start from work with artificial light but continuous, not flash, and I never use flash, but I start now use this flash when I have these lights. Last week I prepare for some shoot for my clients what was outside a different place, photography for them on white background, something in not too much space was there, and I think I take the flashlights with me and I can use like some that's mount for the flashlights or some that mount for the flashlights. And when I prepare for these flashlights and use this mount, I was little surprised this mount doesn't work with this new Godox V100. This is different type the lights, like you see here. The front is completely different. This is square, this is ring, and this doesn't work with this mount. I show you how. But before I show you, if you want to learn more about food photography, product photography, how to work with artificial light, natural light, visit more my YouTube channel. There you find the video, or you can book with me online consultation 1-to-1, what is 1 hour on the topic what interesting you about photography. We will focus only on the problem what you have with photography, or what type of the photography you want to grow and speed your photography. All information you find in the link below. But now back for this amazing mount. How to use this normal fresh mount. You need the stand, and the stand work, that is no problem. I put maybe better little this stand, more comfortable for me. And this have here the hole, we put here on the stand and set up. That this is everything. Here you have hole what you put your lamp. This is front. How I know this is front? Because here you have special hole when you install your modifier light like that. How you install your reflector here? You put in this hole, and straight away you have reflector. And from the back side you put here, like you see, your lamp. But maybe that's not so far. And here you have screw in the back, and you set up that your lamp. I show you one moment. That's here. You set up your lamp with this, and you can use this for photography. How you remove reflector from here? You push this here the back, and straight away you remove your reflector on any modifier lights what you use here. This, when you remove the lamp, you screw this, and now I want to use my new lamp, the V100 Godox. And it's problem because this is the ring, no square, and doesn't matter if I put completely up these things, I still don't have space for this lamp. That's Godox have now new flash mount for the Godox lamp. We remove this mount, and I show you the different. Looks small, similar for this what we have. We set up, use the same, but one thing is different. Here you remove this part inside. Here you have something magnets, here is the metal, that you can easy use this and remove. And the same, you set up your lamp here inside, we'll see, little up, and you can use that lamp without any problem. You can install here the same reflector, modifier light like softbox or a snoot or something different, but one minus, you cannot set up here the umbrella because I bought wrong. I didn't read good and I don't have hole for umbrella. That's if I will be want to use this lamp, I use this mount the hole, this, because have here hole for umbrella. That is one minus this, but of course when you buy for yourself, check good, is different. You can buy original Godox company and there is the hole. I didn't see this when I ordered this. What is the different? Like you see, this looks bigger, massive, than this is smaller, but it's perfect for these lights. This doesn't work only with that type of the lights. Now when I must work somewhere outside, maybe in a restaurant, on outside completely in the park or something, I can easily take these flashlights with me. Some softbox what I put on mount here in the front, or some different modifier the lights like reflector or snoot is really easy to use with this mount. Believe me, and I'm happy what I have, what I buy. Now I will be more to do video for you for flashlights, how to use in my studio, outside, everything with exactly with this setup. Let me know in the comment what you think about this mount, you like or not. You will be buy something different. This is softbox reflector. How you install your reflector here?